Welcome. In this video, we will walk through how to create an outbound project in Ava, which is the foundation for launching AI-powered outbound voice calls at scale. Outbound projects are how Ava handles outbound calls. Whether you're confirming attendance, qualifying leads, or booking appointments, every outbound call campaign starts by creating one of these projects. From the Ava home screen, click Add New Project under the Outbound Projects section. This will open the scenario library where you'll choose from a list of pre-configured call templates like the standard scheduler, event follow-up, or strategic sales outreach. Each scenario has its own purpose and logic, so choose the one that matches your campaign goal. If you need help deciding, don't worry. We have dedicated videos that walk through each scenario in more detail. After selecting a scenario, you'll land on the project details screen. This is where you'll define your project's name and description. These are internal labels, so pick something clear and descriptive to help you stay organized. After selecting a scenario, you'll land directly in the project details screen, your main workspace for setting up outbound calls. This screen contains expandable sections that organize all the scenario-specific inputs. These inputs were defined by the scenario you picked earlier and guide the AI's behavior on calls. Inside these drop-down sections, you'll find fields where you can customize everything from greeting messages to value propositions, objection handling, scheduling details, and more. This is where you shape how the AI speaks, what it says, and how it responds. Take your time filling out each field carefully. The more specific and natural your inputs, the stronger your AI agent's performance will be. Once your project settings are saved, it's time to create your first campaign. Campaigns are how you actually launch calls. A single project can contain multiple campaigns, allowing you to target different contact lists or use cases while still relying on the same core scenario setup. Campaigns inherit the details and training inputs from the project, but also allow for additional customization, so you can adjust messaging, duration, or other variables for each audience. Scroll down and click Plus New Campaign. In the pop-up, enter a campaign name and description, choose the AI voice, language, and number to call from, and decide whether or not to leave a voicemail. Then configure your call settings. Here you can set options like background sound, noise isolation, and max call duration. When you're done, click Save Campaign. After creating the campaign, you'll land in the campaign details screen. This view has inherited all configuration details from the project, including prompts, scripts, value propositions, and more. This is your opportunity to customize those inputs specifically for this campaign without affecting the rest of the project. When you're ready to configure additional options, click on the Settings button at the top of the page. Inside the Campaign Settings panel, you'll find all the same customization options you used when first creating the campaign, including AI voice, voicemail behavior, and call settings. With the Campaign Settings panel open, scroll to the Campaign Duration section. Under the When customizable drop-down field, select Schedule Campaign. Use the calendar picker to choose your start date, and then click the clock icon below it to select the time. Use the arrows to adjust the exact time you wish your campaign to start for the scheduled date. Click on AM to switch to PM and vice versa. Next, set how long the campaign should run. This could be in hours, days, or months, and choose how often it should repeat, such as daily, hourly, or monthly. For example, you could schedule your campaign to run daily for 2 months, starting on May 1st at 8 a.m. Once all fields are set, click on Update Campaign, which will save your setting changes and return you to the campaign view. Next, scroll down to the Contacts section. This is where you load the list of people your campaign will call. You have 3 options: upload a CSV file, import contacts directly from your connected CRM, or enter them manually one at a time. If you're working from a lead list or audience export, CSV is usually the fastest. Once your contacts are added, they'll be tied to this specific campaign, and the AI will use your configured settings to engage them directly. For an in-depth walkthrough on uploading and managing contacts, check out the video titled Contact Import and Export in Ava. It's available in Part 2 of the Agency Onboarding course under the Call Records and Contact Management section. A link to that video will be provided below. Once your contacts are loaded, your campaign setup is complete. From the project configuration screen, you'll see a list of all campaigns within that project. All that is left is to execute the campaign. Each campaign card displays the AI assistant, caller name, and current status. To check call statuses or make adjustments, select the campaign itself, where you can monitor progress, check call outcomes, and manage settings like duration or contacts to be reached by that campaign. And that's it. You've now built your first outbound project in Ava. The AI will handle each call based on your scenario and project setup, responding to objections, booking meetings, and driving results on autopilot. It is always good practice to test your campaigns to ensure your agent performance is addressing your needs and adjust the scripting and prompting if necessary. Let's take a look at an example test call for the standard scheduler, one of our most common and versatile scenarios.
Hello.
Hi, this is Marissa from Innovate Marketing Solutions. Am I speaking with Taylor?
Yes, you are. What's this about?
Great. I'm reaching out on behalf of Jordan Lee, a marketing automation specialist at Innovate Marketing Solutions. We're setting up quick consults this week to explore how our marketing automation tools can help streamline your marketing efforts. The purpose of the meeting is to discuss how your marketing team can benefit from using automation to engage leads more efficiently. On this call, you'll discover how our platform can increase lead conversions by 30% and save your team 10 hours a week on manual tasks. Would you be open to scheduling a quick meeting to discuss this further?
Your proposition sounds interesting, but how'd you get my contact?
Thank you for asking, Taylor. Your contact information was likely shared with us through a professional network or a previous inquiry related to marketing solutions. If you'd like, I can confirm that with Jordan Lee during the meeting. Would you be open to scheduling a quick consultation to explore how we can help your team?
Uh, yeah, sure.
Perfect. Do you have a specific day and time in mind, or should I suggest some options for you?
Uh, Let me see. I'm quite free this week, anywhere from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Got it. Let me check Jordan Lee's availability for this week between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Please give me a moment. Looking at Jordan Lee's schedule, I see availability on Friday, April 18th. There's an opening at 8 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. Would either of these times work for you?
I think 9:30 a.m. sounds better.
Great. I'll schedule the meeting for Friday, April 18th at 9:30 a.m. This will be a virtual video call. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Excellent. I've scheduled your 30-minute appointment for Friday, April 18th at 9:30 a.m. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly with all the details. Thank you for your time, Taylor.
Let's walk through the customizable user input fields used in the previous demo for the standard scheduler scenario, starting with the first section. This is the opening script setup section. This is where the AI defines how to begin the call, introduce itself, and represent your business. For the initial greeting, the AI says, "Hi, this is," followed by a custom value for the AI agent's name, from, then another custom value for the company name. Then it continues, "Am I speaking with?" followed by a custom value for the client's first name. Custom values are little shortcuts that help the AI say the right thing to the right person. Instead of typing each person's name or meeting time over and over, you just use a placeholder, like a label that gets filled in automatically during the call. So if you write something like, "Hi, custom variable for the client's first name," the AI will actually say, "Hi, Sarah," or "Hi, John," depending on who it's calling. You don't need to do anything fancy. Just drop the custom value into the script and the system handles the rest. For the introduction, the script says, "I'm reaching out on behalf of," followed by a custom value for the representative name, A, and once again a custom value for the representative's profession, at yet again another custom value for the company name. Then it continues, "We're setting up quick consults this week to explore how our marketing automation tools can help you streamline your marketing efforts." For the company name, we entered Innovate Marketing Solutions. For the profession, I chose Marketing Automation Specialist. The representative name is Jordan Lee. For the closing statement, the AI says, "Thank you for your time," followed by a custom value for the client's first name, and then another one for the representative's first name. "Looks forward to meeting with you. Have a great day." Now moving on to the call intent and value pitch section. This section defines why the AI is calling and what value the meeting will provide. For the reason for appointment, the script says, "To discuss how your marketing team can benefit from using automation to engage leads more efficiently." For the meeting value proposition, the script says, "On this call, you'll discover how our marketing automation platform can increase lead conversions by 30% and save your team 10 hours a week on manual tasks." Now let's cover the meeting details section. These fields determine how the meeting will be scheduled and where it will take place. For the default meeting duration, I set it to 30 minutes. For the alternative meeting duration, I used 15 minutes, in case the client is short on time and does not agree to a half-hour meeting. The location of meeting is set as virtual meeting. The calendar selected is Agent Testing, a calendar exclusive for testing agents and campaigns. Highly recommended for you to create one as well. Finally, we have the follow-up communication section. If the contact doesn't answer, the AI will leave a voicemail. For the voicemail message, the AI says, "Hi, this is," followed by a custom value for the AI agent name from Innovate Marketing Solutions. I was hoping to connect for a quick consultation to show how your marketing team can boost lead conversion rates with automation tools. I'll send you a text with a link to schedule if that's more convenient. Looking forward to speaking. That concludes this demo walkthrough of the customizable user fields for the standard scheduler scenario. This should give you a better idea of how to structure your own scenarios. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful as you start building your outbound projects in Ava. If you have any questions, need help troubleshooting, or just want to explore more features, visit us anytime at help.thinkrr.ai or shoot us an email at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thank you for watching.